Madison. I can't even really get mad at them. Baseball, then I got a baseball, shoot like an 8-ball, and it's embarrassing. 10-page text, you know what I put? Couldn't be the bag, but he broke and he still with him, feel like a shit. And he barely went out and he back there. Doing too much, acting like that, must be the way they go. Must be a face, cause I'm not your dick. I'm a freak, not a masochist. Should've known you